Good morning to all of you. A few days back, on 7th February, I believe, one date. Yeah. On 5th February 2022. So, two judges, bench of Delhi High Court, while disposing the case of Pawan Singh versus Jaspreet Kaur. Jaspreet Kaur. She is actually a doctor. She is the daughter of Dr. Shatinder Singh. Both of them are from Delhi. So, while disposing the case in Criminal Appeal number 107 by 2021 on 5th February, the Delhi High Court clearly held that, yes, very clearly held that C.H. Sanjay Sharma, he is not Delhi High Court, it is Tis Hazari Court, second ADJ. Sanjay Sharma. Almost we can call it as Mahila Court. So clearly held that husband is bound to maintain his wife, whether he is employed, unemployed or not. We are not bothered. It is the duty of the husband when marriage takes place. He has to maintain his wife. Very easy to say. So many umpteen of cases are there. But if the husband proves that he is incapable of earning money, and if he is able to prove that wife is able to maintain herself, then he need not pay. But the general rule, you might have seen in so many cases, as an elder I want to say, since I worked as a police officer, whenever this, yesterday I think 14th February, Valentine's Day, whenever this lovers duo, they approach me. వాళ్ళు చెప్పేవారు, ఏం చేస్తావా నువ్వు? సార్, నేను రిక్షా తొక్కి నా భార్య నడుపుకుంటాను. ఇంకొక ఆడమ్మాయి నా కాళ్ళ మీద నేను ప్రైవేట్ ఎంప్లాయ్మెంట్ ఏదో చేసుకుంటానేవాడు. ఇవన్నీ పెట్టి మాట్లాడకూడదు, వేరే సంగతి. బట్ ఎందుకు చెప్తున్నాను అంటే, ఇట్ ఈస్ ది బౌండ్ అండ్ డ్యూటీ ఆఫ్ ది హస్బెండ్ టు మెయింటైన్ ద వైఫ్. బట్ హియర్ ది హస్బెండ్ filed an appeal under section 29 of the Protection of Women from Domestic Violence Act 2005, I can say, against the order of Sanjay Sharma in the Mahila Court. The Mahila Court ordered him to pay monthly maintenance of 5,133 per month to the respondent from the date of filing the present petition till its final disposal. It is only interim, okay, it is only interim relief. So against this, he has gone to the Delhi High Court. He has gone to the Delhi High Court, and this matter has been decided by the High Court, clearly stating that husband has to maintain the wife. How it is possible? So unless you know the brief facts of the case, it's difficult for you to understand. So please remember, so this complainant, that is, her name is some Jaspreet Kaur. She has filed a petition under 12 of the Domestic Violence Act, stating that her husband, that is Pawan Deep, and his parents, they have been so they have been actually harassing her and also for dowry. Also they are telling, but dowry is not proved here. Only thing is they are showing cruelty to her, and all of them are staying in the same roof. Actually, this boy, the husband, has got a house in a posh locality in Delhi. He is a graduate. He is an able-bodied person. He is a photographer by profession, right? So, she was subjected to physical and mental cruelty for not bringing in sufficient dowry. This allegation also she has stated. Okay. Now, ultimately, actually, this man, the defendant, that is Pawan Deep, he says that he was employed in Prem Color Lab or Studio, Prem Color Lab Private Limited, at the salary of Kamalanagar, Delhi, at the salary of rupees 6,000 only. So he is not able to maintain his family. This is contention. But now the court has clearly stated that you are an able-bodied person. Second, you are a professional photographer. No doubt, at present you may not have the job, but definitely You can go for some alternative job, or you can become a freelance photographer, definitely. And you are an able-bodied person, and you are a able-bodied person, experienced. Yeah, you are a well experienced photographer. So definitely, since it is a profession, you can maintain your family. So don't tell all these cock and bull stories. Come on, you have to maintain your family, right? He cannot shirk responsibility by pleading that he is incompetent or he is not able to earn this money. So the appeal by the which came to the High Court, it has been dismissed. Plus, please remember, in this connection, as far as this woman is concerned, already she has got a shared household in the same house. Now, as per Domestic Violence Act, you may be the protection officer will give an order. So, basing on the protection officer's advice, the family court asked her to share at the household. That means she can stay in one of the portions. And maintenance is 5,000, because in Delhi 5,000 is a peanuts or very small amount. She studied only up to 12th class. I'm sorry, she is the daughter of a doctor. She studied up to 12th class only, and she is not earning, but there is no source of income for her. And she is there in the shared portion right from 7/10/2013. Therefore, the court directed that, Arey Baba, it is your duty to maintain your wife. You have to pay the so-called maintenance. So, to conclude, I want to tell you that it is the court believes, or generally everybody believes, that it is the duty of the husband to maintain the wife. Okay, so you cannot shirk your responsibility. So many cases are there, but very recently this case has come into, it was published in Live Law. That's why I am making a video on this, so that the youngsters, the present day generation also know about the profession of law and this judgment. This judgment will definitely be useful to you. So please read the judgment. That is Pawan Singh versus Jaspreet Kaur. Okay, thank you very much.